Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another product review for you guys. I was sent this product a couple months ago and hadn't really had the chance to review it, and now I do. So today I'll be talking about Dental Expert Active Whitening Charcoal Toothpaste. I did another charcoal toothpaste video on here before, so this is my second one, different company. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump into the video. I'll give you guys a brief background about the company, and then I will talk about what this toothpaste exactly does. Now, if you see me looking down, I am looking at my phone, looking at the website. Make sure I give you guys as much information as I need to. Everything else will be down in the description box, as well as their link to their website, so you guys can check it out if you want to. So the co-owner of Dental Expert, Jessica, she had emailed me a while back, and she gave me a little background about the company, which I will go ahead and read the email to you guys. So it says, as a dental company that specializes in teeth whitening, we wanted to get in touch and tell you that we dig what you do. And because you share so much awesome stuff with the world, we wanted to share something with you. Our newest product is a charcoal toothpaste, 6 different flavors, a special toothpaste that churns your teeth white after several uses. It has over 2,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon alone. So then she gave me the website link. And yeah, so then she sent me the toothpaste. Now the 6 flavors that they have is orange, mint, peach, ginger, licorice, and lemon. Now the flavor that I wanted to try peach, but she sent me mint, which is fine because I'm still reviewing it for you guys. And I have been using it here and there, not every day. For the past week, I've used it majority of the week, but I haven't used it every day. But I have noticed that my teeth do look a little bit whiter. I've already used a toothpaste that has, peroxide in it, but I have noticed that my teeth has gotten whiter. So here's how the box looks. And then of course it provides you with the ingredients and all of that good stuff. So on the box, it says, created from organic ingredients, our brand new whitening paste is best if you love fresh breath and like to smile. This is an all-purpose cleaner that's highly effective for removing dental stains and keeping your teeth white. It's designed from bamboo, charcoal, and other all-natural ingredients whose benefits fit for the oral environment has been well acknowledged. This product delivers quality results risk-free. So it says, safe remedy, ditch all those messy concoctions and use a teeth whitening solution that has no sulfate, no fluoride, no artificial colors or chemicals, and 100% safe for use by adults. How about a fresh mint breath all day long? This product makes your teeth sparkling white and gives you a fresh mint breath that improves your public confidence all day long. Now for this one, I'm not going to do a demo of brushing my teeth. The way you use this is the same way that you just brush your teeth because it is a toothpaste. So inside the box, of course, is the tube of toothpaste. And once again, this is mint flavor. And then in the box, it pretty much provided me with how to use the charcoal toothpaste for maximum results. So I will read that to you guys in a minute. And then also, it also just came with a little thing, let you know that they have other flavors, and it's starting at $15, and you can go to their website and get it, or I believe Amazon as well. I'll be sure to provide all the information down below. So here are the instructions on how to use it, how to get the best results. So of course it says, the Active Whitening Charcoal Toothpaste is an all-purpose dental cleaner for people who have bad breath, stained, or yellow teeth. Activated charcoal has been used for medical purposes for thousands of years. It's been used for purification of water and removal of ingested poisons. Our product combines activated charcoal with safe natural ingredients to deliver a powerful but safe teeth whitening formula. This guide provides simple instructions to help you make the best out of your black toothpaste. So, of course, the first thing is you need a new toothbrush, a whole separate toothbrush. It says while you can use your regular toothbrush with this product and still get the results you're looking for, we actually do recommend that you buy a new toothpaste specifically meant for your activated charcoal toothpaste, because the toothpaste is black. So it says brush your teeth, brush thoroughly as you normally would with normal toothpaste. So you're just with this toothpaste, you're just brushing your teeth like you normally would every day. You'll realize that your teeth, gums, and tongue will be coated with black foam. So I did notice as I was brushing my teeth, since I've been using it, the foam, you know how when you brush your teeth and you get that foaminess, but it's white. In this case, because it's charcoal toothpaste, it's going to be black. So then, of course, it says you basically spit it out. And the foam does stay in your sink and the toothpaste, so you want to make sure you clean your sink out after use. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. Just use it as you normally would use it to brush your teeth. Like I said, I didn't provide a demo to demonstrate for you guys on how to use this, because it's just toothpaste, charcoal toothpaste, and you just brush your teeth, you know, like you normally would do. So this is really just a review. So overall about this product, since I've been using it here and there, like I said, I have noticed that my teeth have been a little bit more white than what they usually are. I really don't have a problem with stained teeth or any of that. My teeth are usually white, but you know, whitening toothpastes and all that stuff will get your teeth a little bit whiter than what they are. So as far as this, I do like it. It's not too minty. You guys know a mint flavor can be too minty, and I can't stand a very minty type of flavor with anything that's mint. So the flavor is pretty cool. I do want to try the other flavors, more so peach. That's what I wanted. So because mint flavor is your typical toothpaste flavor. So it would have been cool to actually review the toothpaste that's a whole different flavor that we're not used to brushing our teeth with. So I'll look into that. Maybe I will purchase one later on. But I do like this toothpaste. It's very easy to use. Like I said, you just use it like you normally would use it to brush your teeth. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be sure to leave everything down below in the description box. So make sure you check the description box down below for any information that you might want to know. Make sure you guys check out their website as well. It's www.dentalexpertoffer.com. I will leave that down below as well. If you guys have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave me a comment down below. You guys know I will get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video once again, and I will see you in my next one.